So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now, and then click on enter. Then you want to run the scan. We can run the scan in the background as you complete the next steps in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on adjust the best performance, which will now untick everything. Now once everything's been unticked, you now want to click on custom. Now we're going to tick show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. So you now untick everything, but tick both of these right here, like how it was on my screen. And then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on Startup Apps. Now once you're on this, you want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start when your computer turns on. For example, on my computer, Security Health Systrace starts up automatically when my computer turns on, and I know that because under the status it says enabled. And I want to disable that, so now I'm going to click on this and then click on disable. Now the status will be disabled, and this application will not automatically start when my computer turns on. You want to disable all the applications that you do not want to start when your computer turns on. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that you're on the Advanced tab. Now under Performance, you're going to click on Settings. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on Advanced. Now you're going to click on Change. Now once this comes up, you're going to untick this. Then you're going to select Custom Size. You're going to make the initial size 6144. And you're going to make the maximum size 8192. So just copy what you see on my screen right now. And then click on OK. And then click on OK again. Click on OK again. Now for the last step, we're just going to restart computer. And then the problem should be fixed.